Hi, Brad Williams with Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. Today we're going to talk about drain selection. Which drain do I need for my Tsunami dryer? They come with float drains or pneumatic drains. In many applications, a float drain will be a great selection. Stationary applications in a factory or wall mount, basically anything that's got really clean, new piping, oil-free, float drain is going to give you a lot of years of performance. But if that's not the case for you, and maybe you're in a mobile application such as a spray foam rig or something that's being bounced around, or a really dirty application, older piping system, you're going to want to upgrade to the pneumatic drain system. All of our Tsunami dryers come in basically two components that are very easy to assemble. You've got one JIC fitting right here that you'll connect, and with the pneumatic drains you'll have a line that comes from this branch tee down to the back of the filter. Your two filters will be pigtailed together, allowing them to work in conjunction, and then you'll have a very robust bulletproof style drain that will give you very low maintenance and need to worry about it. All of these different options can be found on our website at www.tsunami.us.com, or call us if you have any questions and we'll be happy to help.